Glass. We're surrounded by it every day. But have you ever considered its secret, infinite life?
So here's the crazy thing about glass. In a landfill, it lasts almost forever.
So it faces two totally different futures, a million-year problem or an infinite loop of reuse.
The real question is, what's the secret? How can it be recycled forever?
The answer comes down to one single, crucial ingredient with a very specific name.
It's called cullet, and really that's just the term for recycled glass, ready for its next life.
Okay, but the real magic of cullet is how much energy it actually saves. See, making glass from sand needs a ton of heat, but cullet, it melts at a way lower temperature.
And that simple difference in melting points? Well, that changes absolutely everything.
Just how big a deal is it? Well, if you add just 10% more cullet into the mix,
You slash the energy needed by 3%. That's a huge direct saving.
And here's the best part. The glass itself never wears out. Its quality never ever degrades.
So glass doesn't really wear out, it just gets a brand new life, over and over again. It leaves us with this final thought. If a bottle can live forever,